Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by creating a focused project scaffold and setting the viewport meta tag so the browser scales correctly. Once done, build semantic HTML sections, header, main, footer, and link a single external CSS file. Make sure to adopt a mobile-first approach. Write base styles for narrow screens and add media queries for larger breakpoints. You'll do most layout changes later, so now prioritize clear, minimal markup, and logical class names to keep styles predictable and easy to override. Now implement responsive layout using Flexbox and CSS Grid to control flow and alignment. Flexbox handles rows and columns while Grid excels at complex two-dimensional designs. Once you choose a layout, switch fixed pixels to relative units like rem, em, %, or viewport units so elements scale consistently. Then add min-width media queries for breakpoints and progressively enhance layout for tablets and desktops. Make sure to test at common widths between 320 and 1440. Finish by optimizing assets and accessibility. Add responsive images with src set and sizes, serve modern formats like WebP, and lazy load off-screen media. Once done, refine typography using Clamp for scalable font sizes, set comfortable line height, and tune padding and margins with relative units. Make sure to check interactive elements for adequate touch target sizes and keyboard focus. If layout breaks, inspect computed styles, remove conflicting max width or fixed widths, and use outline borders to debug element sizing quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.